guys to another episode of Radio Broken Always. I'm happy to have you here. As the title card suggests, we're not working on either of these two, that's for another video. We're going to be working on my Land Rover Series 2, the one with the Series 3 bulkhead, before everybody comments. Even prior to getting the Land Rover, which is obviously my daily, there's been a certain product or products that I've really wanted because I just like the look of them. I think they're fantastic, and it sorts out a problem of not enough storage space, and storage space for non-mechanical dirty items, because obviously we've got the storage box in the back for that, and that's products from Exmoor Trim. Now these guys do everything from steering wheel, seats, original type and recovered or remade, and then an array of canvas items. Now you can get full canvas and stuff from these guys, but two things in particular I like, and I've only got one of them here. The first one being, so I'm waiting for the other one to arrive, are these. Now you're going to know straight away as soon as I show them. These are door cards, canvas door cards. Now my golden retriever's been all over this, so there is dog fur all over it. Anyway, there you go. So obviously I can store the notepad and everything, my mileage pad, cup in there and whatnot. It's just storage space really. Simple product to be honest, but I think it's in keeping with the vehicle. They're doing two versions. I think this is classed as sand because of the sand coloured piping. I think they're on khaki. Anyway, that's what we're putting on today. So it's only going to be a short video because these only clip on in four corners. That's the one thing you have to do yourself. Now they're not hold. Now at first I was like, oh, I can just use a self driller. Now I'm still going to use a self driller, but I think I've got some. They're called Clecos. Like you put them on tents and everything. The ring, brass ring. So we'll puncture it, put the brass rings in, and then it'd be easier to fit these and get them tight on the doors. But I think they're beautiful and beautifully made. The one thing I will do, because all Land Rovers do this, is I'm going to have to fab seal these for now, because obviously my seals, they're okay, but they do leak a bit. So obviously on the driver's footwell it's always a bit wet. Now this being near the door, it will probably get wet, so I don't want it to rot out straight away. I have got new door seals in order. I actually ordered them this morning before making this video, but what we'll do is we'll give them a fab seal up before sticking them on, I think. But probably what we'll do is we'll Cleco the holes first, so then at least before I put the brass connector in, they're already done. And obviously the fab seal will get in there. I think it should soak in anyway, to be honest. We'll just offer it up to the vehicle, and it looks like we'll do these top right in the corners first. Yeah, and then it'll hold it, then I can start pinning the other sides as well. I'll have to keep taking it off and on, and then drill the hole and put in the self driller. And there we have it. So just punch the hole out with the punch, and then they come in two pieces, these things do. And all it does is that, with a long piece sits on that side, a short piece then would sit on the other side once you put it in, and it just bends over this middle part of the collet. Is it collet? Either way, I keep saying which one it is, but yep, just bends it over if you get that one out, and basically does that, a bit like a rivet. Okay, so we're going to do that one, and then we can offer up to the car. So, it goes around about there. I'm going to pull it probably tight on that side to get them ones in. Then it's up under the door handle, as you can tell. So, the good thing about using those little pilot Cleco holes is we can pull it tighter. So, door. Just that drill bit down, she's wobbling a bit. She got the wobble. measure where I'm going to do the others, and then we're good to go. Then guys, stand back. He's nipping up, but it's fantastic. It's nice and tight, but not too tight. Absolutely loving that. Looks nice in there as well. Oh, I hear a pooch. Just can hear me talking. Quality's amazing, really, to be honest. Nice thick material, so hopefully it's built to last. I really like it. From back here, love it. Obviously they need fab sealing, which I will do that, but rinse and repeat. We've got to do that side now. Love it, absolutely love it. And there we go guys, the other one is on. The only thing I didn't take into consideration is rot. So I am going to replace this door eventually anyway, but she's pinned at the bottom there, pinned all the way across the top. Beautiful. So there we go then guys, that's fitting the Exmoor door trims or door pockets to a series Land Rover. Quality wise, can't fault it. Honestly, it's nice thick material. Will it stand the test of time? Well, with a bit of fab seal on it, it should really repel the water and should be okay once I've done the seals as well. But we'll see. Either way, I absolutely love them. And for £56, that's how much they cost for the pair. I'm by no means affiliated with them. I bought them with my own money anyway. This channel's not big enough for any kind of stuff like that. Well, that's it then guys. Hope you like the video. Hit that like, subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one.